Welcome back to another episode of our Brewery Farm Life. I still love night times on the farm, even when it's minus 20 degrees outside. So this past week, it's been a bit of a challenging one. Today is David's birthday. Last year, on David's birthday, we found out that my cousin had committed suicide. It was a horrible, horrible, horrible day, and I felt horrible because it was his birthday and I was a mess. This year on his birthday, we are quarantining because one of our family members has tested positive for COVID. We are all fine. There are no issues. Everyone is healthy and happy. We just had some fatigue kind of go through the house, maybe a bit of a sore throat and a headache. That was about it. So here we have to quarantine for 10 days. And we are 5 days in. I can't remember now. But poor David, once again, kind of a crap birthday. So of course, I made a cake that his mom used to make him all the time. He's not a big fan of sweets, but there's this one cake that he will eat. So I made that for him. We're going to have hamburgers and french fries and all the things that he loves to eat for dinner. And of course, I ordered him a bunch of stuff off of Amazon that he wanted, just to make it that much more better. Not fantastic. Yeah. So here we go. A few more days to go, and then we can get out of quarantine, hopefully, as long as nobody else tests positive, which so far is only one person, and hopefully that's it. Oh, the joys of COVID-19. It's not going to get you. Look, my hand goes in just fine. Now you do it. You're fine. Just drink the water. You're being silly. I thought maybe they were getting shocked, but I literally stuck my whole hand in and nothing. So it's just... They're afraid of the heater. Last night it was so cold I went out and put a blanket on Serenity, the donkey. Just because she generally gets pushed out of the barn and doesn't get to eat because the other animals are kind of jerks to her. I just wanted to really make sure that she had warmth, and so I fed her in a stall. Was she happy about it? No. But I feel better about it, and I know this morning I woke up and I was like, I just don't trust that blanket. So, and her in it. So I'm just on my way out now to take it off of her and put her back outside so she can do donkey things. I'm coming to rescue you. I know. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. Here. Freedom. Here you go. Go on. What are you doing? Jilly, there's nothing in here for you. One of our goats in the barn just isn't looking fantastic. I'm pretty sure I had the same problem with her last year in the cold. I think she's just old, really, is what it boils down to. So I'm gonna go inside, I'm gonna call the vet. I'm gonna warm up for a second. I'm frozen from head to toe, and I haven't had my coffee yet, which is unheard of. And just see, probably just gonna dose her with Ivermectin, and I'm just debating on penicillin. Hey guys, what do you think? It's pretty snowy out, eh? Just checking in on you, making sure everyone's okay. Same old, same old. Everyone looks great. Okay, now everyone's gonna come here. Oh, big stretch! You got an itch? So remember last week when Jack and I were tearing apart the skids? Or the pallets, whatever you want to call them. I'm helping David today to do a build. Another one. I'm not going to tell you what it is because it'll be in a future episode. But I'm going to do this episode a little bit differently. The one that I filmed. Just to try something different. Because why not? Always learning. So yeah, I'm working in the shop today with David. And we're messing around, we'll just say. It's been a fun day.
What are you doing?
Like thumb twitching nervous or like...
Safety square. Yeah, I don't know that I want you filming that. There's one artist done.
How many did it go?
4 skinny times 8.
What's 4 times 8?
32.
Good job.
A lot.
really cool things about using this pallet wood is you get all sorts of different kinds of wood, all sorts of different colors of wood. It seems to be all hardwood. I think it's all hardwood, but it's pretty cool because there's some really different color variations and obviously the types of wood that they are. We have no idea what some of them are. They just, when you plane them, they come out with some really cool colors. So check this out. There's like pink in the wood. And at first I thought it was like a marker or something, but it's not. It's actually in the wood. And then we look at this one that we just finished planing from the skids, or pallets. And it's almost like a red color. So you can get some pretty cool different types of wood and colors to use in different projects, just from tearing apart these skids and reusing some of the wood. It's pretty neat. It'd be interesting to know where some of the wood came from. Yeah. So part of farming means there's ups and there's downs. Unfortunately, sometimes the downs aren't so fun. Yesterday I had come in and Barbara was acting wonky, so I gave her a shot of pain medication and I gave her some other things that I needed to give her. And unfortunately, when I came back in at nighttime, she had passed away. It sucks, and I feel really bad. So I've been out here. There's nothing I really could have done. She was really, really old, like really old, pretty ancient actually. It doesn't make it any easier. It does really suck. Yeah, I was really bummed out, and poor Michaela, she cried a little bit, and we buried her on the farm, so she did actually have somewhat of a funeral, but it's not easy. And I feel really bad because Linda's been her partner since she came here, and Linda's kind of out of sorts. She's fine. She's eating, she's drinking, she's behaving somewhat normal, but you can see she's kind of searching, and she was with her when she died. I should have probably brought her into a warm room. That's something could have, hindsight's 2020, always. But I do believe that she was kind of on her way out for a long time. She hasn't been herself. Likes to be busy, and because we're in our personal own lockdown, we're in quarantine, he can't stop. His brain just is constantly on the go, and so he figures out ways to use his abilities. And right now he's building himself another workbench inside of his shop so that he can build other things. It all kind of stemmed from us pulling apart these pallets and having excess wood around. So on that note, thanks again for watching, guys. I really appreciate your support. If you like what you saw, make sure you hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe. We'll talk to you next week. Cheers.